Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the folder where your site will live and creating a new file called Index.html so browsers load it automatically. Open a plain text editor. This prevents hidden formatting. Once done, set encoding to UTF-8 and save with the HTML extension to ensure correct rendering. You're doing this now so the browser recognizes the entry page. Make sure the file name is exactly index. HTML, lowercase, with no extra dots or spaces to avoid surprises. You'll write the minimal structure. Doc type HTML, then HTML lang equals end to declare language for accessibility tools. Inside head include meta charset equals UTF-8 and a descriptive title so search engines and users see context. Once that's in place, build body with a clear heading, a paragraph, and a link or image if needed. Make sure elements are nested correctly. Proper nesting prevents layout issues and helps browsers parse faster, so your page looks consistent across devices. You save the file and immediately test by opening Index.html in a browser or serving it from localhost to mimic real hosting. Once loaded, use DevTools, press F12, to inspect HTML structure, fix console errors, and check network resources. If the page is blank or renders oddly, first verify the file name and HTML extension, then confirm UTF-8 encoding and that all tags are properly closed. If still failing, try validating the file in the editor to find the missing tag or typo quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.